Oh, okay, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell about our recipe. My name is Ashmita, and here I am telling about. Sorry, and so let's start. Uh, so we can brought pizza base from market and a pizza topping sauce, cheese, and cottage cheese. So first we have to take pizza base and top top it with pizza topping sauce. After top,
First of all, before describing anything, na Ashmita.
okay, ma'am. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a pizza. So the ingredients that needed in pizza are for one pizza is a pizza, pizza topping sauce, tomato ketchup, chaat masala, chili flakes, organic seeds, black pepper, and some slightly cutted tomato, onion, capsicum, cheese, cottage cheese for so let's start the recipe. First we have to take pizza base, and then on pizza base we have to top the pizza topping sauce. After topping pizza sauce in a bowl, we have to mix chaat masala, chili flakes, organic seeds, vegetables, and some piece of cottage cheese and some piece of cheese. After mixing them well, we have to top it on the base that is topped with pizza topping sauce. After that, we have also grated some cheese and cottage cheese on pizza. After that, we have to cook it in microwave at power level mode. After that, when pizza is cooked from above, we garnish it with chili flakes and organic seeds. Thank you.
Okay, Ashmita. Well, good try. Again, Ashmita, you mispronounced tomato. I said tomato. You said tomato. Pata nahi what's, but it was incorrect. Tomato. It's tomato.
Tomato. I'm saying tomato.
Tomato. Okay, tomato. Second thing, you said bowl. It's not bowl. It's bowl.
Bowl.
Put it
Okay,
in a
ma'am.
bowl. Okay. Third word you mispronounced was it's garnish. Garnish.
Okay, ma'am.
Garnish the dish. Okay. And try to avoid the repetitions कैसे जैसे you said कि pizza base पे what you said topping लगाया है ना, you said na put the topping on the pizza base, then you said again after putting topping on the pizza base add this. So no use of repetitions. Once you said apply the topping, that's enough. You said after that, simply say after that
Okay, ma'am.
you put this thing. So no need of repeating the sentences, although it was correct. Very good. Next,
Okay.
who would like to try?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, yes.
Hi, everyone. I am Vaishnavi and today I am going to teach you how to make a Oreo cake at home. First of all, you need the ingredients. The ingredients are 3 small packets of Oreo of 10 rupees, 1 Parle-G packet of 5 rupees, 1.5 cup of sugar, and half teaspoon of baking powder and oil, and 1 spoon and a mixer jar. First of all, open the Oreo packet and separate the cream from the Oreo. Then grind the Oreo.
Separate.
When the Oreo become like powder, then add milk to it and sugar. You can add sugar one or half cup in it. Take 1 or 2 cup of milk and mix it well. If it is become like liquid, then grease the cake mold and grease with the oil the cake mold and put the batter into the mold. After that, if you are making in oven or microwave, and if you are making on pan, grease the pan and put the batter into the pan and over separate. And after that, turn on the flame on high mode for 10 minutes and after that on medium mode. When the cake is baked, put the cake and cool it completely and make the cake cool it completely. If you want to decorate the cake, take the cream which we have separate and add milk to it and mix it well and make it like a liquid and put it and decorate the cake with the cream. And after that, the cake is ready. Thank you.
Wonderful, beta, wonderful. Although it was correct, a couple of mistakes that I noticed were you said the cake when the cake is baked. So it's not baked, it should be when the cake is baked. Okay, when the cake is baked, decorating it, rather than saying decorating it, what other word you can use?
My name is Purva Bansal. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to tell about how to make pizza. At first, we are going to make pizza. The ingredient we are using are cheese, vegetable, pizza base, Szechuan sauce, oil, chili flakes. Now we have to put oil on pizza base. After that, we have to take 4 spoons of Szechuan sauce. After that, we have to add some vegetable. And after that, add grind cheese on it. Then we have to cook it in oven. After cooking, add some chili flakes on it. And now your pizza is ready to eat. Thanks.
Very good, Purva.
Tell you how to make a cup of tea. The ingredients are water, tea leaves, sugar, and ginger. First of all, we have.
Where is milk?
What?
Milk?
No, I said that.
Achha, you said. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, we have to. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Is I am audible?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, we have to warm some milk. After, when the milk is boiling, we have to crush some ginger and put the ginger in the warm milk. After that, we should add 1 to 2 spoons of sugar in it. and then tea leaves. Then our tea is ready.
Okay, very quick.